Congresswoman Watson Coleman.
Thank you very much. I appreciate this this hearing that we're having on innovation. And since Princeton Plasma Physics is in my home district, why are we not discussing fusion energy as one of the innovations that we should be investing in? And where do you see it falling on the portfolio line?
Couldn't agree with you more on the need to do more on fusion. We were very excited to see that the Energy Act of 2020 had a public-private partnership program included to actually start thinking about really commercializing a fusion reactor technology in this company. There are a number of innovative startups around the country, from Commonwealth Fusion in Massachusetts to TriAlpha and many others on the West Coast that are getting close to something that could actually produce power sustainably. We're not talking about a science project anymore. We're talking about something that's very close to application. I think funding and supporting that fusion public-private partnership could be a great next step to move that forward.